How to get the new MetaTrader app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can get the new MetaTrader app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, getting the new MetaTrader app is actually fairly simple. You basically open up your Play Store, because Instagram or Meta has actually released a new version of the app just like Twitter, which is called Threads, an Instagram app. So head over to your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can search for the Threads app. You'll find the official application from here. All you have to do is just make sure to click on the install option there. If you're on iOS, you'll find the get button, by the way. So depending upon whatever it is that you're using, you can just try to go ahead and then use it, and once done, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically get the new MetaTrader app. Hope this video is helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.